Continue reading from Bhagavad Gita as it is. Anong chapter?
Chapter 6, verse 35.
Chapter 6,
6:35.
6:35.
Ito yung nakaraan na basa. Wala ba na? Wala naman nagbasa.
Chapter 6?
Chapter 6,
Chapter 6, verse 35.
35.
Dhyana Yoga.
Dhyana Yoga. 36. Okay.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
Chapter 6, 36.
36.35.
No, 35. Okay. Say Bhagavan Uvacha.
Bhagavan Uvacha.
Asam sayang mahabaho.
Asam saya mahabaho.
Manodoligraham shalam.
Manodoligraham shalam.
Abhashinacho kaunteya.
Yasinatu kaunteya.
Vairagina cha dihati.
Vairagina cha riyasi.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Asam saya mahabaho.
Manodograham shalam.
Manodoligraham shalam.
Abhay senatu kaunteya.
Abhyasinatu kaunteya.
Varagina cha dihati.
Vairagina cha riyasi. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
Bhagavan Uvacha.
Samsaya mahabaho.
Samsaya mahabaho.
Manodoligraham shalam.
Manodoligraham shalam.
Abhyasinatu kaunteya.
Abhyasena tu kaunteya.
Vairagina cha riyasi.
Vairagena chagriyate. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
Asamsayam mahabaho.
Samsaya mahabaho.
Manodunigraham chalam.
Manodunigraham chalam.
Abhyasena tu kaunteya.
Vasinatu kaunteya.
Vairagyena chagriyate.
Vairagena chakriyate.
Shri Bhagavan Vacha.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
Samsaya Mahabaho.
Asamsaya mahabaho.
Manodonigraham Salam.
Manodunigraham
Abhyasena tu Kauteya.
Yasena kaunteya.
Vairagyena Chagriyate.
Vairagena Chakriyate. Words. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
The personality of Godhead
The supreme discipline of God
Asam
Sin.
Saya
Samsaya
undoubtedly
undoubtedly
Mahabaho
Mahabaho,
Almighty Arm One
Almighty Arm One,
Manaha
Nanaha,
Kamay
the mind,
Donigraham
Dunigraham,
difficult to curb
difficult to curb,
Kalam
Kalam,
flickering
flickering,
Abhyasena
Abhyasina,
by practice
by practice,
to
to
but
God,
Kaunteya
Kaunteya,
Osan of
Osan of Konti,
Vairagyena
Bagragena,
by detachment
by detachment,
Cha
Cha, also,
Rehati
Riyati,
Kadviso control.
Kandiso control.
Translation. Lord Sri Krishna said, O Almighty our Son of God, it is undoubtedly very difficult to curb the restless mind, but it is possible by suitable practice and by detachment. Please read.
Lord
Lord
Sri
Shri
Krishna
Krishna
said,
said,
Oh my
my
God,
God,
son of Kunti, it is undoubtedly very difficult to curb the restless mind, but it is possible by suitable practice and by detachment.
Therefore, the difficulty of controlling the obstinate mind as expressed by Arjuna is accepted by the personality of Godhead, but at the same time he suggests that by practice and detachment is possible. What is that practice? In the present age, no one can observe the strict laws and regulation of pleasing oneself in a certain place, focusing the mind on the sopper retraining the senses to the mind, observing celibacy, and remaining alone, etc. By the practice of Krishna consciousness, however, one engaged in the 9 types of devotional service to the Lord. The first and the foremost of such devotional engagements is hearing about Krishna. This is a very powerful transcendental method for purging the mind of all misgivings. The more one hears about Krishna, the more one becomes enlightened and detached from everything that draws the mind away from Krishna. By detaching the mind from activities not devoted to the Lord, one can very easily learn Vairagya. Vairagya means detachment from matter and engagement of the mind in spirits. And personal spiritual detachment is the more difficult than attaching the mind to the activities of Krishna. This is practical because by hearing about Krishna, one becomes automatically attached to the Supreme Spirit. This attachment is called Parisanobhaya, the spirit of satisfaction. It is just like the feeling of satisfaction a hungry man has for every morsel of food he eats. The more one eats while hungry, the more one feels satisfaction and strength. Similarly, by discharge of devotional service, one feels transcendental satisfaction as the mind becomes detached from material objects. It is a something like curing a disease by expert treatment and appropriate diet. Telling of the transcendental activities of Lord Krishna is therefore expert treatment for the mad mind. The eating the foodstuff offered to Krishna is the appropriate diet for the suffering patient. This treatment is the process of Krishna consciousness.
Explain mo na.
Hindi siya nung babasa na sa dito.
Okay, basa ka pa.
Hindi, dito mura. Ang haba-haba nito.
Try mo na. Live mo pa tayo dyan.
Finish na pala yan. Finish mo.
Tapos na ba ito? 6:35 na. Basa lang naman daw. Pagalitan ko. Basa lang. Translation. Sa 6:36 na ba ito? For one whose mind is, and what is this? Unbridled, self-realization is difficult work. But the whose mind is controlled and who strive to appropriate means to a store of success that is nigh obtained.